What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will take 5-second trades. As you can see, I have $5 in my account. Before we start the video, please hit the like button, subscribe and comment your thoughts about the video. If you want to join us, the link is in the description and you can text us on Telegram at @BBinarySupport. This video is just for educational purpose and I do not recommend 5-second trades until you have a good knowledge about candles and trends. Alright, let's start our video and take our first trade for this compounding session. I have $5 and I've chosen a 1-minute candle time frame. Now, let's take our first trade. I placed a trade for a downward move on Alibaba OTC for 5 seconds and it's a win. We won our first trade on Alibaba OTC for 5 seconds. Now my balance has increased, so let's find a trade for $9 for another 5-second trade in the OTC market. Here we have a trade and I placed a trade for an upward move on American Express OTC for 5 seconds because here was a support level and moving average also. And it's a win. We won our second trade and my balance has turned into $17. Let's find a trade for $17. There was a support level, but it's too far. No problem, we can try for an upward move. I placed another trade for Netflix OTC for an upward move for 5 seconds. And it's a win. We won another trade and now my balance has increased to $33. Let's find another trade for $33. There was a support level on American Express OTC and the candle was already up, so avoid that trade. Don't try this type of trade until you have good experience. I placed a trade on Citigroup OTC for a downward move for 5 seconds. This was a moving average trade from EMA 25 and it's a win. We won another trade in this compounding session. Now, let's find a trade for $63. Here we have another trade and I placed a trade again for the downward move on Citigroup OTC. The trade was going in our favor. This was a moving average trade, same as previous one, and it's a win. Now my balance has turned into $121. Let's find a trade for $121. Remember, don't try these types of trades until you gain more experience. Alright, here we have a trade on Facebook OTC and I placed a trade for the downward move. I made a wrong entry, but no problem, this was a moving average trade, it's a win. We won another trade in this compounding session and now my balance has turned into $218. Let's find another trade for 5 seconds. I got a trade on Citigroup OTC and placed a trade for the downward move because current candle gave rejection and left a huge wick, it's a win. So we won another trade. Now, let's find a trade for $419. Again, I placed a trade for the downward move on Citigroup OTC for $419 for 5 seconds because this candle should be fulfilled, the last candle wick, and it's a win. We won another trade and now my balance has turned into $804. Let's find a trade for $804. I placed a trade on Citigroup OTC for the upward move for 5 seconds for $804 because candle fulfilled the previous candle wick. And it's a win. Back to back, we won 3 trades on the same asset. And now my balance has turned into $1,544. We will stop here because we've made a good profit. From $5, we've made $1,544 through 5-second trades. I hope this was helpful for educational purposes. We do not recommend 5-second trades. If you guys want to make profit with me, you can check description or you can text us on Telegram at @bbinary support. I have launched my course where I have explained all my secrets of binary options, market structures, psychology, money management, and our 7 to 8 sure shot patterns. I will also cover how indicators work and how you can trade using them. There are many more topics which have been covered and many of my members are making really good profits with the help of it. Visit my website binarytradingexpert.com. You will see a course icon there. Click on it. You will redirect to our another website manishpati.com. Follow all the instruction and text us on Telegram. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe and comment below if you want more videos like this. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Goodbye.